If you're using Cloudways to host your website, Cloudways is one of the companies I recommended and showed in the web hosting and servers video in this section of the course, then essentially you don't have to worry about points 2, 3 and 4, which is going to be your HTTP request, your minification and your caching. The reason being is when you host your website with Cloudways, it actually comes with a plugin which is called Breeze. So Breeze is a plugin which is actually built by Cloudways, as you can see right here, and it has those 3 elements built into it. So if I go over to the settings for the Breeze plugin, we can see we've got a whole section here for minification, we've got a setting here for cache, and we also have gzip compression, which helps reduce the number of HTTP requests. So as you can see, using Cloudways will make your life so much more easier as you have all the processes and all the things you need to do in one plugin. And as this plugin is made by Cloudways and is for websites using Cloudways, you don't have to worry about your site breaking or anything going wrong, as the plugin works perfectly fine and is a pretty seamless experience. I haven't actually changed any of my settings since having the plugin activated. I've just left it on what Cloudways have set, and for me that has been perfectly fine. A good thing about this plugin as well is it is totally free. It does not cost you a penny. As long as you have your site hosted with Cloudways, then you can use this plugin and get the full benefit of it. And just to clarify, if you did want to clear your cache manually, you simply go to the top, purge, and then purge all cache, and just like that, your cache has now been cleared from your website.